I just lost some weed, but it's all good cause it's just a treat that my homie E gave me, and he only want a dub. I got a whole pound with this shit, yeah, one love to my homie, cause I only dropped a few nugs, it's on the tracks. I'll probably find that shit if I go look for that shit. But I got so much that I could just smoke right here and get so high like a convict. Still on a mission, trying to cook dope in the kitchen. About to go search this shit, cause I know that I could look for it. And if someone found it, it's nothing cause I already left it. So nigga, what you wanna say when I bring the green in your face? Got the purple and the purple glaze, strawberry cushion, cookies and pie. But I grow grapes, nah, I'm nothing like a square. I hold it down anywhere. I represent San Ho, I'm a shark and a bear. Repping the city, getting my money, stacking dough. That's what I do in San Ho. It's my job, it's my mission to get my money, cause I am on. I got the Adidas and I'm about to get in my zone. On the phone, collecting